Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be making curry squid tentacles. These are so delicious, crunchy, and tasty. For today's recipe, we're going to be using 1 pack of frozen squid tentacles. You're going to need to thaw out, rinse, and remove all the black film from the squid tentacles. Once you've scraped off all the black film from the squid tentacles, you're going to need to cut the tentacles into smaller pieces. I suggest cutting them into individual tentacles or pairs of tentacles. Next, we're going to blanch the tentacles. You don't want to overcook the squid, so you're going to toss the tentacles into boiling water for 10 seconds and then immerse them in cold water and drain. We're going to be using the bullhead curry paste today for the squid tentacles. You can use any curry paste that you have at home. You will need 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, and 2 stalks of green onion cut into 1-inch pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to wok on high heat, and add the ginger and garlic and saute for 5 seconds. Add the squid tentacles to your wok, add 1 tablespoon of the curry paste and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Saute for 10 seconds. Now add your green onion, or if you choose, you can add chives and saute for 10 seconds. Turn off the heat and plate your squid tentacles. You don't want to overcook these as they will become chewy and rubbery. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.